Down these steps is where last week's flood swept through local nonprofit Artisans For Hope. Nearly a week later, they continue to clean up and assess the damage.
The force of the water was so great that it knocked the door to the ground, and I found it the next morning flat on the ground inside the building.
All you can hear are fans through the nonprofit's workspace that fully operates out of a basement in Boise, providing a space for refugees to learn and practice different types of fabric craft.
11 countries are currently represented here, and the people are courageous, they're talented.
Ellie McKinnon, executive director, tells me that this has unfortunately stopped them from just about everything. The flood has damaged the carpet, some fabric, sewing machine pedals, and possibly the drywall.
We're doing testing on the walls to see if there's drywall damage that has to be repaired. If there is, then restoration will be longer.
The landlord of the building will be paying for all damage to the property, but as of now, all their sewing machines, fabrics, and tools are stored in one room as they wait to hear the extent of the damage.
We will get through this. It set us back, but it didn't destroy us.
Artisans For Hope expect repairs will take several weeks before they can continue to help the community and practice their mission. Christina Bautista, Idaho News 6.